Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Comrade Mohammed Ali Ringim, an ex-security expert, securing lives and property.
Akúdédé àsìkò yìí mo kí wa lógún lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n níbikíbi tí ẹ bá wà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Amẹ́ríkà àtàwọn Fúlàní jìnnìjìnnì bò wọ́n, ìkórúurú ọkàn ó bá wọn, ìdààmú bá wọn, gbogbo ọkàn wọn ò balẹ̀, ọkàn yìí ò dẹ̀ lè balẹ̀. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ohun tí Gúnmi ń sọ, ẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí arákùnrin ọmọ Fúlàní, ẹ wo bó ṣe ń lérí, ẹ wo bó ṣe ń lérí, tó ń lérí fùkọ̀kọ̀, tó ń lérí mọ́ ìjọba Amẹ́ríkà. Ṣé kò yẹ kó ti máa yé wa? Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń sọ pé kí wọ́n máa wà, torí yín la torí ń gbé àwọn fídíò yìí wá o, kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ wá gbọ́, kẹ́ wá wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Ṣé ó yẹ kí wọ́n ti máa sọ fún wa? Ẹ jẹ́ kí release fọ́nrán yìí ká wò náà ká tó tẹ̀síwájú, torí ọ̀rọ̀ wà ńbẹ̀ bó tẹ̀ jẹ́ pé short video.
Comrade Mohammed Ali Ringim, an ex-security expert, securing lives and properties is my area of specialization. I want to see this very moment to call upon His Excellency the United States of American President Mr. Donald Trump, my good friend, to please be aware that Nigeria, we are not suffering from religiosism, tribalism. We are not persecuting Christians. We are always living together with Christians and Buddhists, Sikhs, Hindus, Taos, Maos, Confucius, Baha'is, Rastas, Satanists, and Shantos. All these religious denominations, if they may be at Nigeria, we are living peaceably with them because we are suffering from humanitarianism. Mr. Donald Trump, let me be aware that Nigeria is not Vietnam. Nigeria is not Afghanistan. Nigeria is not Iraq. Nigeria is not Iran. Nigeria is not Venezuela. If you attempt to encourage and make aggression and send your armed forces to Nigeria to wage war, it's an unscrupulousness. But be aware that our mosquitoes, they are waiting for your soldiers to bite them and infect them with malaria fever to die instantly. And more so, I heard last minute that Lieutenant General Chiwai Danjuma made a blatant falsified allegation against the Nigerian armed forces. He stated that Nigerian armed forces, they are conniving, conspiring, collaborating with bandits, which is a blatant falsified lie. Chiwai Danjuma, be warned. I know you very well since Murtala Mohammed administration. Before you become a madman, you are sensible. You are the chief of army staff in Nigeria. But for you to accuse our armed forces, more especially the soldiers and our security agencies, for conniving and working together with bandits, is a blatant falsified lies. And if you are among the people that are instigating United States of America to come and wage war at Nigeria, our black people armed forces, they are gallant. They can fight you.
Thank you.
Ṣé ẹ̀yin náà ẹ fi ti gbọ́n sí ẹ wo tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, gbogbo wọn ló ń jáde lọ́kọ̀ọ̀kan ìjèjì. Àwọn mélòó, ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ ní orí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń sọ pé kí Amẹ́ríkà máa wà, màá ti release another video ń sìn kẹ́ ẹ wo video ìdópin, ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ọmọ sójà Amẹ́ríkà tó jẹ́ ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà, ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó wí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá ń ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń sọ pé ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tẹ́ ń sọ wípé kí kí wọ́n má wá. Èmi ò mọ nǹkan tẹ́yin rí o tẹ́ fi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ lè rí nǹkan táwa ò rí, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ dáadáa. Ẹ lọ ṣàkíyèsí àwọn nǹkan kan. Àwọn nǹkan wo ni kẹ́ lọ ṣàkíyèsí? Òun ni kẹ́ lọ wo àwọn Fúlàní. Fúlàní mélòó ló support pé kí wọ́n wá? Fúlàní mélòó ló support kí ìjọba Amẹ́ríkà wá kán má gbà wá sílẹ̀? Mélòó? Ẹ lè rí kankan nínú wọn tó support. Nítorí pé wọ́n lọ́wọ́ nínú gbogbo ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa jára wa. Àwọn ló wà ní ìdí gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyí àtàwọn ìjọba wa. Donald Trump, wọ́n ní líìsì orúkọ gbogbo wọn sọ́wọ́. Wọ́n ní líìsì wọn sọ́wọ́. Ẹ wo bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ̀. Kò sí irú ariwo tó wù kẹ́ ẹ pa. Donald Trump, ẹ ṣiṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín o, ẹ ṣe nǹkan tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe. That is what I will say on this. Whatever Donald Trump wanted to do, let him come and do it in Nigeria. Come and fetch them out. Those perpetrators within us, àwọn tó empower àwọn ará bí, come and fetch them out and clear the bandits, the terrorists. We don't want them again. Enough is enough. Àná ilẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n wọn pààyàn. Àti mọ ìròyìn tó jáde láàárọ̀ story mi listen sí news. Wọ́n àwọn ọ̀dẹ̀ ti ka ìròyìn kọjá. Mi ò gbọ́ ìròyìn láàárọ̀ yìí. Ìjọ olè jí tí ẹ̀ ní gbọ́ pé wọ́n ìpànìyàn wọ́n ti ta ẹ̀jẹ̀ èèyàn sílẹ̀. Kò sí ọjọ́ náà nínú Nàìjíríà. Ẹni tó kàn ló mọ̀ o. Kò sí fámìlì kan tí wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀ àbí tí wọ́n ti jí àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀ gbé tó ti san ransom fún àwọn ará bí yìí. Tá a gbọ́ pé àwọn people yìí bọ̀ tó ní support kan wà. Okay, any family tó bá ti jí èèyàn ẹ̀ gbé rí kó comment sórí session yìí kó jẹ́ ká gbọ́ èròǹgbà ẹ̀. Ṣé kán wà àbí kán má wà? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń sọ pé kán má wà, wọn ò tí jí èèyàn yín gbé ló fà. Tó bá ti kàn yín, èròǹgbà yín á yàtọ̀. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wà ní line torí mi I don't understand. Ẹ wo, ẹ má jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ ògùn. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wo fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ wo dópin o. Èmi ọmọ yín náà ni. Ẹ kú ojúmọ́ o. Ẹ kú òpin ọ̀sẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ọmọ ogun United States of America yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ohun tó wí. Ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ. Ó ka àwọn nǹkan pàtàkì tí ó máa jẹ́ benefit lórí pé wọ́n fẹ́ wá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ohun tó wí o. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa ló ti wo fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ bá wa tú wò. Èmi ọmọ yín ni. Thank you, Lord.
Greetings from wherever you're watching from. As an Urobo boy who was born in Nigeria, who obtained multiple degrees in Nigeria, ranging from law certifications to language and literature, then to a postgraduate in education, someone who has lived in Nigeria and has been through the rigors of that country, I believe I deserve to air my opinion with regards to what is going on in Nigeria at the moment, and also with regards to the help that the United States troops wants to give right now, which I work with. Now, I'm going to be very brief and quick, and I'm going to highlight in fives the disadvantages that Nigerians feel would come with foreign troops coming to help, and the advantages of Nigeria and Nigerians allowing the United States to come salvage the situation in Nigeria concerning terrorism at the moment. I highlighted some of them, so I'm going to quickly hit on them. So the first I highlighted here is one of the basic fears that Nigerians have is loss of sovereignty. Nigerians are scared that if they allow foreign troops to come, they're going to lose their national control and the willpower to do things by themselves, because America will always intrude. Secondly, Nigerians are scared that the conflict is going to worsen. that American troops coming in is going to worsen the situation on ground. 3, Nigerians are also scared that there will be foreign exploitation. Then, of course, America will come with their own political interests. They will come for the oil. They will come for the mineral resources. We're going to get through it. Number 4, Nigerians are scared that there will be civilian harm. That in the process of trying to salvage the situation, kill terrorists and thereabouts, civilians will be hurt. Okay? Then lastly, Nigerians are scared that there will be government dependency. That Nigerians will continually be dependent on America for everything. All right. Those are genuine concerns, okay? Of course, every help comes with some level of compromise everywhere in the world. But let me also highlight very quickly the 5 basic benefits Nigeria is going to get if they allow America and American troops to come save the situation of the day. 1, enhance counter-terrorism capabilities. Do you know what it is for Nigeria to have access to the United States intelligence? Do you know what it is? Do you know what it is for Nigeria to have large access to the United States intelligence training for their troops? Hell no, you don't have an idea. If you have an idea, you will let it happen. Because if America gets involved, the defeat of Boko Haram and the likes, according to how my commander-in-chief described it, is going to be vicious, it's going to be quick, it's going to be sweet. It's going to be gone in a short while. I promise you. Yes. Secondly, professional military training. Of course, Nigeria has been getting some foreign training support from England and the rest of them. Do you know what it is for Nigeria to have training from the United States in addition to what they already have? Because America troops are going to be on ground for some time, it's going to be a lot of benefits for Nigeria. 3, improve regional security. See, anywhere America build their base, of course they will want to keep it safe and secure. They also want to put measures on ground to make sure that such insurgencies don't continue to exist. Do you understand? Because they're going to put machineries in place. Except, of course, that the country they're trying to help sabotages the effort of the US, like it happened in other places. America currently has bases in Poland, Germany, Romania, the likes of it. Those countries are enjoying the benefit of the presence of the United States there. The United States will not come for your oil because America has more than enough already. The reservoir is too big. Oil is being produced in this country too. So the truth is that the time that America has craze for acquiring mineral resources from other countries has depleted. Yeah. The true intention of coming in right now is to really help. Then also, apart from that, there will be strong diplomatic and economic ties. All those red tapeism that we used to go through to acquire those little aids that we seek, that we always need from foreign countries like America, will be reduced. There will be easy access to these things. We cannot deny the fact that we don't need help. Then finally, if you are a money lender who lends money to a particular individual all the time for a particular business, for example, and this same borrower keeps coming back to the money lender with the same issue that, oh, I need more money to solve the same situation, and this same money lender, this borrower has been unable to pay back the money they've been borrowing. As the money lender, what will you do? Will you not take a proactive step to want to go and double check what your money is being used for, and why is this money being given to you not being used to achieve the purpose that you come to borrow the money for? time around, America really wanting to know what is going on is an attempt to want to find out why all the help and the financial aid they've been giving is not yielding the results the monies are being collected for. Is that a bad thing to do? From 2017 to 2025, America has given in financial aid and military equipment $10 billion to Nigeria to assist, to aid the obliteration of terrorism in Nigeria. Why is it not yielding effect? Why is the money is being borrowed not yielding the results for which the money is being borrowed? To be very sincere, make I tell you the truth. If Nigeria lost this opportunity where my beloved commander-in-chief, President Donald Trump, is offering us at this moment, now be said don't finish Oshike now, it will be hard to bounce back from it, because it is clear that there is no good intention on the part of people who are in charge of the affairs of this nation to want to end the situation, because it is obvious that these guys keep making money yearly from over bloated budgets on security and insecurity. We see it every year. So what makes you feel that anything is going to change? I have family in Nigeria. I have siblings in Nigeria. I want everybody safe. My plea is that the people should continue to seek, to clamor, and wish that this help that United States troop is willing to give at this moment is taken before it's too late. Kokori boy to the world. US Army Strong. Signing out.